Here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here, and we can analyze it right from the beginning of this correction from December 5th. And what we had over here was our peak. We had an ABC correction to the downside, another ABC upwards for our X wave, and then another ABC for our Y wave, with our Y wave hitting the 1.618 when we use the trend-based fib. After going into very overextended territory, right when we took out this structural liquidity over here, okay, this was your structural liquidity. As soon as you took out the structural liquidity, you had what's called a short squeeze. So as soon as you drop below this line over here, you had a bunch of market participants shorting the market, okay? Causes short squeeze. We then went into a leading diagonal, which created our first wave, had a WXY correction for our wave 2, and now we're starting our wave 3 to the upside. So we already have 5 waves over here to create our wave 1. We then went into a descending broadening wedge, and now we're breaking out towards our wave 3, 4, and 5 to complete our macro third wave, which will likely take us around 52, 53,000, come down for a little bit of a correction, then continue the trend upwards towards 58K. So now this is what I see with Bitcoin. So it's looking good over here so far, as long as you can also see that within this descending broadening wedge, we have held this 38.2% fib over here. But in order to remain bullish, bulls do not want to see a move below this 702 at 45,982. Okay, so that is Bitcoin. When we take a look at the total altcoin market cap, what we see over here on the 5-minute time frame is Wyckoff accumulation. So over here you have your selling climax. This was when Bitcoin had that flash crash. People panicked, had a selling climax. Whenever you have your selling climax, you often have your automatic rally. After your automatic rally, you come down for a secondary test and then go on towards a failed breakout. Everyone gets excited over here, and then the price gets shot back down, takes out this structural liquidity over here for your secondary test, goes back up one more time, and then gets knocked down the second time towards your spring phase, slightly dipping below your selling climax and taking out the liquidity and taking out these buy stops over here. After your spring phase, it's only up from here. So if we take a look here, we can see that we are holding the 38.2% fib, but there always is a possibility that we have one more little dip below towards the 50% fib. But currently it's looking really good. I do not think that the total altcoin market cap will see a move back down below 450 billion. So far, I think that we are bound to break above 504 billion. Okay? So as long as Bitcoin holds over here and we manage to stay above the 78.2% fib, then I don't see a reason why altcoins shouldn't continue its move to the upside to break above the top of this range. However, there is a possibility that if Bitcoin has one little dip over here, right, total may come down just a little bit for one more sweep before continuing its ascent. So I hope you guys enjoyed the crypto total altcoin market cap video and Bitcoin video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.